ready, fam?
We're doing.
We went back to where we fell in love.
Hello.
Royal family.
Are we gonna get some basement videos?
Yeah.
The basement.
What's up, Royal
Hey,
Family?
girl.
It's your girl, Queen.
It's your boy Clarence.
And Clarence is back here.
And it's Jimmy.
Put on his socks and stuff.
It's your boy
But y'all,
back in New York, B.
look at our view, y'all. This is our view right now. It's morning. It's morning time. It's like 11
It's
something.
morning.
And the car's about to pick us up. So basically, long story short, I think it was Thursday. It was Thursday, and I was like, babe, the kid's gonna be gone this weekend, so you want to just go to New York? So we were supposed to leave Friday night together, but Clarence just left because I remembered that I had to sing at Lyric's funeral. So I came
That's good.
yesterday in the
Rest in
evening,
peace, Lyric.
and he was seeing his family and stuff, and his grandma, and so
I was in Soundview. I went back to Soundview.
he went back to the hood.
I went back to the roots.
It was riding like four-wheelers.
Oh, where's that vlog?
Like,
Yeah.
Regular
Sound
hood
fun.
shit though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? A little bit of Patron.
Oh,
Felt
yeah.
really good though. You know what? One thing that felt good, like my family said, like, damn, we haven't did this in a minute. Like, and I guess like me visiting had caused everybody to
Come together and stuff.
come together and get together, like, and just chill,
Yeah, chill out.
which they haven't done in a very long time. You see? So
But
we might even go back to the hood today.
y'all, let me tell you what I want to do. Remember the video with that me and Clarence started off doing, like with the red
Wow.
wall behind us? I want to go and revisit that hotel. Like, even though like it's a nice hotel, but it ain't somewhere we stay in now. But I want to go revisit and do a video there. So comment below if y'all want us to do it.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna do it this trip or maybe like another one. I don't know, we might surprise y'all, but I know that I do want to go shopping, but I also want to come out here so I can, cause I miss the memories here in New York when like me and him had like a bunch of
I remember we used to
free
call
time
us.
just to chill
Shut
together and
up.
stuff like that. So I mean, we got free time at home, but like it just be more like
You got that good New York.
house stuff, and you know how it's
Breeze.
Right,
like
yeah.
other
All
families
that
know how
smog
it
in
get
it,
when
too.
like the kids running around and you work.
No, I'm talking
I
about
just
the
wanted a
tree.
free weekend.
Oh, yeah,
with
yeah,
just
you're
me
right.
and him. He needs to see
We about to go shopping, city shopping. We haven't did that in
We
like
haven't ate.
3 years. We haven't went shopping in the city, so we about to do that. You know what I'm
City
saying? Walk the
Quells.
streets of Manhattan, maybe
have
get some
fun.
roasted
Peanuts.
nuts. You know, some roasted nuts.
Yeah.
And just live a New York life
Go
for
in the park.
or maybe
2
one more
days.
day,
2 more
yeah.
days. We might leave this room, but just because.
let's show y'all this room. This room, we thought it was gonna be bigger. We wanted. He said it's cheap. The view is nice, but as y'all can see, it's not as big. The bed
Nah,
is mad
sometimes you
comfy.
gotta have a
We want to like
view and
and I
then
wanted
not
a
get a
soak
good
tub,
room.
so as y'all
Yeah.
can see, like it's just a shower in here. See, just a shower. So I wanted to like get something with a view, but I don't know.
Yeah, the best thing about this is the view.
Yeah, but when Clarence came, he was staying in. He went to a New Jersey hotel,
Same thing.
and he said it was trash.
No view, no nothing. I'm looking at the outside my window is just the radiator.
Not the
Nah.
radiator
Would you low
view.
floor?
Wow.
All dressed now, y'all. Clarence is trying to be like me. Once again, with black jeans.
I was here first. I packed
Remember,
first.
bruh, you knew I was gonna bring
Who
black
packed first
jeans.
though?
It don't matter.
Don't trip over the
You're right, the bag.
He always want to say I'm his daughter, his son, but he's my son. So I got a little pea coat and some ones. I want to show you guys the back of my shirt because it's so cute. So yesterday I wore an Aaliyah shirt, y'all, and everybody can ask me where I got it from. But I got this one from the same place, Urban Outfitters in the same New York, and I bought it just for this trip.
Where's the Urban Outfitters? Where?
Oh, come back. Oh, we need to take a little mirror pic right here. It's cute. I got on my Cuban too, y'all, but y'all just can't see it. It just keep tucking in. Oh, we decided that we're gonna get something to eat first, y'all. We're going to a place called Blue Ribbon. Clarence is putting us on. I looked on the Instagram, and it's like a bunch of like chicken.
A bunch of chicken.
Look at that. We gonna see, man. I'm not supposed to be eating this, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure out.
Girl, you on vacation. In New York, too.
We here, y'all, at the Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken. Beast, I bet you're not eating nothing here, are you?
Hey, Beast.
We gonna see.
At the chicken spot. I think I'm gonna kill my.
All orders online only?
Oh.
What? Yeah, we had to get back in the car because unfortunately we can't go in. We gotta order on the phone and then wait for our orders. So.
Yeah, it ain't like Atlanta.
But I need some lip gloss because
It's closed.
I don't know. This chapstick got my lips looking real ashy.
Prada. Y'all see something y'all like? Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I know I can't, but I'm gonna see if I can.
Girl, with your little feet. You can feed it.
I just don't think I go sneaker shopping anymore, man.
Why?
You taking up the whole side of the closet.
I got it all. Since it was too crazy shopping and with the lines and stuff, we decided to just go to the next hotel. As we already told you that we didn't like the last room, so now we're trying a new room. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we like it a little better. So we're gonna check in real quick, and then probably just keep running around the city. I'm trying to go to Cousin Slice's, this famous pizza shop.
Y'all remember Cousin Slice? Remember the store I did?
The 10 when it got to 10 million, right?
Yeah, and I started shaking my butt and he was popping champagne on it.
It was that place. So we're trying to go back there.
Y'all
and see what's
remember
up.
that?
But let's go. We about to check in real quick.
The Bronx. The boogie down.
Look, I did
Comment below if you from the Bronx.
Say what up to the vlog.
Comment below if you from New York.
Say what up
Yeah,
to the vlog,
and
Mo.
what
Say what up to the
borough?
vlog, Mo. Don't be quiet now, Mo. Don't be quiet now.
I mean on IG, like, I see award 20. Yo, I mean on IG, deep down.
Alright, no, they gotta put that to my old one.
I mean, Mr. Blitzum. Mr. Blitzum.
Mr. Blitzum.
Alright, no, nigga, look like that. Nigga, she got headed.
I'm on Instagram, deep down.
Okay.
I'm Mr. Blitzum.
Mr. Blitzum.
Okay. I think they wanted
Comment
to
below if y'all
I had
added
a
them.
camera.
Right.
You already? Alright, yeah, so we went to the hood for a little bit. We got some chopped cheeses. Was chilling in my old neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? I got to see my grandmother and my cousins. But now we've checked into the hotel and we finally got to the hotel, and this hotel is finally the hotel. Like, this one's nice, even though we gotta leave tomorrow. It's already like we already been here for 3 days, but we about to get. I'm about to show y'all right now. Give y'all a quick tour. You walk in right through here. It's like a little living area.
Oh, that's cute.
With TV.
Ow. Oh,
With the
and a
views
view.
right there. And then you got Queen over here.
Hey,
Queen's right
girl.
Hey, Queen.
here. This is the bed.
We got a bathtub next to the bed.
Yeah. I don't know what they're doing right here.
With the view.
Not Mr.
There's still bubble in the ducky.
Bubble
They
bath.
got the
And rubber
ducky.
ducky.
Claire about to
They
take a
trying
bath.
Yes.
Who that? Who brought the
Pink
And
ducky.
they left
Who brought
this.
Mr. Bubbles in the
So there's
deck?
the little living area. Then we got the little
And with
snacks
the board,
and
open
stuff right there.
snacks.
Yeah, they got
Comment
the-
below if you.
Oh, that's not the one.
Comment below if y'all be eating them snacks. Spank some snacks.
How
Right.
much?
$10 each.
You trying to get lit? You trying to get me lit? That's what it is.
Oh,
You
she
trying
got
to get me
plans.
lit. So this is where like
She
you
got
came in at.
plans.
Then you go through here, snacks, right there. Then you come straight in here. This is like living area, more views.
Ooh.
That's nice.
The views is OD.
Oh, that's nice.
Like the views is
Relax.
OD. Got another TV. Got a little dining area. Little bar. Okay. There's some drinks in there. Then you come back here, is the bathroom, toilet, shower. Was there another bathroom in the other room? I don't think I showed them that. Alright, yeah, so there was a bathroom over here that I didn't show y'all.
Oh.
Well, I guess this is the big shower. I was wondering, the other shower was kind of small. This is the big shower, toilet, everything you need right here. We should have stayed here from the beginning, but maybe next time.
Yeah.
When we come in, we'll make the right decision from the jump. You know what I'm saying? But Queen has a little headache.
Oh.
I'm about to get rid of that real quick.
Feel better,
I gotta go.
Queen.
Where you gotta go?
Huh?
Where you gotta go?
I'm saying the headache has to go.
Why?
Because we need to enjoy our time here. Everybody
You
here.
want to say it.
Yeah, I know. We about to get some food. Maybe watch some TV. Maybe run the bubble bath.
With the
And get
Mr.
activated real
Bubbles.
quick. I'm not gonna end the video just yet.
I know he wanted to use
Maybe we get some footage of us enjoying the room real quick.
Rubber ducky. See? Here's one missing out of
We're enjoying this slippery, slow bubble
Okay, bonnet. Right.
Of course, I can't look sexy right
He
here.
told us, yeah.
Can't get wet.
Dude, he got a duck.
But this is our view, y'all.
Oh, that's nice. You get a view
I'm
from the
super
tub.
excited because my favorite restaurant from here is coming. Clarence ordered B.O.B.O.
Pio, pio.
You sound relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
He said, you guys
I
sound
feel like
relaxed.
people can see us though.
Yeah, I would too.
Like, cause I can see inside other people's stuff. So yeah, it's bubbly up in here.
Bubbly.
Ooh.
In the tubbly.
You got a drink in here? Clarence about to drink some Moet. What is Moet?
They give us some more.
Money over everything.
Champagne again? She said, what does this stand for?
You know how you have like a what is those
She
things?
in a New York State of Mind with that one. Money over
This is really
everything.
nice, y'all. This is what I came here for. I came here to relax and get a peace of mind and have fun. I don't want to be too naked too long right now. So.
Oh, that phone almost
Look, Clarence is
gone.
The champagne.
Champagne, yeah.
I'm saying we gotta celebrate.
He trying to be sexy. Look, it's hard to open champagne with them slippery fingers.
Yes.
Trying to be sexy when you can't open the champagne. He about to do it. He about to break the
You need
window,
to dry it.
Right. Oh, he
We also got rubber
professional
duckies,
bottle
too, y'all.
popper. I told you the ducky.
Rubber
Those are
ducky.
cute.
Good night, baby.
Good night, Leggy.
Look,
Good night, Dada.
look, y'all. Look at Legend.
What you doing, boy?
Good night, puppy boy.
Okay, Claire, professional.
So, y'all, this is such a beautiful view.
It is.
Basically, me and Clarence, we took a bath, we ate, and we fell asleep. But we woke up at, well, Clarence woke up at like 4. Did we wake up at the same time, babe?
pretty. He went back to sleep.
But anyway, y'all, like, we woke up and stayed up and stuff.
I watched the sunrise. Yeah. Listen to
I'm just so
JoJo
nervous.
KC sing us a verse.
I told him that we have to come to New York more often because for some reason I feel like it's good vibes.
Good vibes.
You feel like it's good vibes, babe? You feel like it's good vibes here?
Yeah, it's good vibes.
It's always good vibes every time we come to New York. But I do miss my babies. I want to plan our next trip, but like I also want to. I look crazy right now. I'm about to watch the sunrise. I'm about to see
Watch
if we
the
can catch the
sunrise.
sunrise.
She said it.
You gotta get some food.
Might get some to eat. Oh y'all, I miss the sunrise
Aw,
because I guess
that's
the
pretty,
sun's already
though.
up. Well, actually the sun is still rising. Y'all see like the golden hour
That's
right
pretty.
here? Well, wait, not the golden. Is there a golden hour in the morning? I don't know. But maybe this looks a lot better.
Uh-oh.
My hair is all messed up, man. Should This light is cute. Yes.
Got your hair wet.
Period. Breakfast in bed. What we used to do. Everything in New York comes in these. Like aluminum foil stuff. But yeah, y'all, this is freshly squeezed orange juice and beef sausage, eggs, and Clarence is putting on cartoons. Y'all don't remember, me and Clarence used to always go to Cuts and Slices back in 2018.
So right now we got sweet chili shrimp, curry shrimp, garlic parmesan
Chili shrimp pizza.
barbecue salmon at the bottom, jerk shrimp at the bottom,
Jerk shrimp
sweet
at the
chili
bottom.
salmon at the bottom, chopped cheese. You know the chopped cheese we love. One of our top sellers.
Yeah.
Chopped cheese.
Jerk chicken,
Jerk
lasagna,
What?
barbecue chicken, buffalo chicken, chicken and French toast,
Oh my
Chicken
god.
and French.
beef and ranch,
Ooh.
oxtail. This is our vegan pepperoni and our vegan spinach and peppers.
Wait, vegan pepper.
You know we got regular spices.
Oh my
We got
goodness.
regular like wow.
Also, you know you gotta get the treat.
Oh, why you doing that?
Oh,
What's your favorite chocolate bar?
Oh, I'm gonna go with Twix.
The Butterfinger.
This is my personal favorite.
That hurt your teeth?
It's like popcorn with the
Can we try that one? We about to try these. Here, we'll waste that.
that's like a commercial, right? People gonna go there just for that.
Yeah. Clean. No crazy.
Like peach?
Yeah, the Dubai shit.
We in Dubai right now.
Wow.
I've been in New York right now. We in Dubai.
Wow. Hey, that's my stuff. I'm not. That's really good. We gotta order those. We gotta order them.
Nigga Randy be going to get them.
Do y'all remember when I reached 10? Was it 10,000? No, 10 million.
Yeah, she got a 10 million
10 million views video. He started popping champagne on me, and I was like, twerking. It's the same place. It's really cool.
Oh yeah. They trying the best joint out right now.
That looks
New sweet
good.
chili
Like,
oxtail right
and
now.
he eating it like it's good too.
Revenge sauce is fire.
Queen like it too. She eating the chopped cheese.
Nah, it's OD.
Look, he eating it like a real New Yorker folding his pizza.
You got oxtail cheese?
Yeah, I love oxtail.
Oh my god. Nabi, did you get one?
We're finally heading home.
Look, he full, you can tell.
We're heading out and we're going home.
Back to the A way.
Back home.
Food and beverages and smaller items may be stored in the back of the seat in front of you or the overhead bin. Please do not place these items
I
in
love
your
New York.
seatbelt
We'll be
pocket.
back to New York. We're about to end
If
this
receiving
vlog.
an exit room today,
My
please
hair
review
right now.
responsibilities.
Dang.
Outline and
Queen
safety.
feel better.
So,
I
If you
know.
do not meet these criteria, do not wish to perform these responsibilities. Private hitting information which prevents
Bye. Bye. Take off. Wheels up. New York. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.